Want to keep your child safe in the home? Well, our simple and easy products are here to help. Introducing Babimoo, Child Safety Locks. Your home is filled with hidden dangers. Our locks can help prevent accidents. Installation is easy. Just peel back the sticky side and press the lock firmly into place. Now the area has been secured. To access the cabinet, just push in the button. To re-secure the area, simply push the lock back into place. Now, when your toddler tries to access the cabinet, they are safely locked out. Removal is also easy, using a string to disconnect the lock from the adhesive surface. And rub away the residue. Want versatility? You've got it! Our locks come in multiple colors that will match any decor. Keeping your child safe at home is not an option. So order our child safety lock set on Amazon.com today.